Hello guys, we're in Build a Boat, and I'm gonna be showing you how to make a laser, and you could also, I think, kill people with it. Well, you can't kill people with it, but you can you can kind of kill them. Like, you can launch them out of the world if you hit them. So here we go. First, you're gonna wanna. Okay, hold up. First, you're gonna wanna place a wooden block down, like that, and then you're gonna go and over here, and then where you put the wooden block, you get the chair, and you put it on the wooden block. Sit on the chair. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna want to zoom in inside your body like that, and if you have your thing like this, scroll down, but it depends. So then if you have a cake, put it in your body like this, and then go down like this. Delete this part right here. Okay, yeah. And first, you're gonna wanna, so you're gonna put a button on there first, and you have to put it on rotate to 15 or 5. I just like to do 5 because it's easier. So, and wait till it gets like this, and then if it attach it where the cake is, so it will stick to there. But mine is not doing it for now. Okay, I'm gonna try to put it like this. See, it works. So that does not look good, but right now we're gonna put it on my character. If I can change it. Okay, so 3. What is ice cream? Yeah, Gizmo took your ice cream.
No!
It fell. Guys, what in the world? Oh.
It was my biggest piece, so I could eat it, but it dropped.
So you can point the laser up or down, and it doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna point it up because there might be flying vehicles that you want to kill, and first you will do this. Like, you can hit the flying vehicles, and then if you have scale tool, you can zoom these out and put some lasers on it, like this. First, I'm gonna have to fix that. So if you have scale tool, you can do this. But if you don't have scale tool, you can you could just keep building it on. Hold on, let me check that adjustment. There we go. And here we go first. You can do this. And you can do any block. It doesn't really matter. And you can also color the light of it. I don't have that. So I'm just going to do like this. And then what you're going to do next is you're going to see anchor block if your button is on right. Oops, the camera wasn't right. So anchor block, turn that off. And then I'm going to delete the chair and so delete the chair and the block. I don't know why myself is not anchored, but that is weird. So Then, I know I don't have a boat, but this, oops, I did not attach it right. So we're gonna try it again. Okay, let me die first. Guys, I didn't attach it right. What else should I put? Like, well, I could do that, but never mind. It's just, wow. Okay. I'm just gonna put this down. If you guys still saw the video, you could start it over, but and remember, get that cake in your body. I'll put 2 cakes now because when I put the when I put the button on, it didn't stick. I'm just gonna put 3 cakes in my body. This is weird, but you have to build a laser, so I guess it's our choice. Look. My neck is bending because I have to do the video to edit it. I have edits, but well, you already saw the edits. I'm just kidding about that. But so I'm gonna do this. Does that look like it's attached? Or you could do 2 lasers, or you could do 1 if you want to. It's like if you do 1, it's cooler. You could put it on top or the bottom. Oops! Wow. So that fell. So have anchor block on while you do it, so you know it's on right. So like that part just fell down. That's on right. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna bring this out, and then you're gonna put the blocks on. And now you might use scale tool again, and if you have it, it costs like right now it costs 5,000 for it. But when it was like build a boat on a different day, it's like 9,000. Okay, so that's my laser right there. I'm gonna zoom back in. What is wrong with my camera? Okay, there. Now you're gonna delete this and this. Now you see I am attached. So now you can press launch. And see? You got the laser. You can also inhale it. It also helps you go, like, if you're falling, go like this. Whee! It helps you. No. See, you can also do this. It's kind of glitchy, but it's worth it. Oh no, I'm stuck. Look, you can also make it go in. Oh, if I can get out. Okay, I'm stuck. Help me. No. Okay, wait a second. So guys, you can extend it. Mine is not working right because my laser's glitching and it's big. So it pushes me in instead of pushing the thing in. See? And I'm gonna jump again and go crazy. Whee! Oh my goodness. Here we go. Oh no. See, I'm just gonna go in somebody's base. I'm stuck. No. I'm gonna get smaller. Oh my goodness. Guys, should I go attack their base over there? If I can go. No! Get me over there, please. I want to go over there. Yes. See, guys, I'm on their base, and I'm gonna slingshot them out of the world. Tell me if you see one of them, because I really need to find them. Wait, where is he? I have a laser and you won't kill me. No, no, they're building a robot. Wait, why? No, put me in the portal. No, let me go. I'm stuck. I am stuck. You must help me. Why am I stuck in the trees? Okay, so what in the world? Whee! Jump, jump. Get me out. I'm stuck in a tree. This is a glitch. Okay, that was it for the video. Hold on, let me die first. So that was it for the video. I hope you liked it. And did it help you? Tell me right now. Right now. Bye.